In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your child's RM Unify account. This is where they'll be able to access their emails that are sent by their class teacher and also access the Microsoft Teams portal, which will be explained in a later video. So to begin with, you'll need to use one of the web browsers on your computer. We'd recommend using the new Microsoft Edge browser on here, but also Safari if you're on a MacBook, or Google Chrome will work just fine as well. So to begin with, you can either type the web address, which would be www.rmunify.com in the web browser at the top here, or you can simply search in Google for RM Unify. When you're onto this page, you just want the one that's www.rmunify.com, and that will take you to their login site. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter an username or email address and a password. Now, typically for all students, this username will be their first name followed by a full stop followed by their surname. In some cases, the surname is cut short if it's too many characters, or it might be different compared to different ones that are on the school system. Your class teacher will be emailing these out to your personal parent email addresses, and you'll also be able to contact the IT helpline at school via email, and we'll be able to distribute these and try and help with any problems that you may have. So in this case, I'm going to use a test email and a test pupil account, which would be the first name, so B, and followed by the surname, test, and then the @ symbol, at maltbymanoracademy.com. All the pupils' emails at our school will have this ending at maltbymanoracademy.com, and we need to ensure that that's spelled correctly, just to make sure you get access through. You will also be sent the pupil's password. In most cases, this will be just Manor, all lowercase, so that will be need to enter in the password section. Make sure that your caps lock isn't on your computer as well. It should notify you just in case. Always try that if it doesn't let you log in first time. So we've got our email address, which will be first name, full stop, last name, at maltbymanoracademy.com, and then their password, which will be, in most cases, Manor. Once you've signed in, you may arrive straight at this page, or you may be prompted to just tick a few questions and tick a few boxes just to say you agree to the terms and conditions of using this site. And then once you arrive at this page, this is where the child will be able to access some different resources. It may look exactly like this, it may look slightly different. On this occasion, for your children to be able to access their emails, they'll access the Mail tab, and also the Microsoft Teams area will take you through to this area on this tab and this tile right here. So this demonstration should hopefully help you get through to this point where you can access your child's email account.